Maybe I could get along without you. Walk away and never think about you. Maybe, maybe.
Malupit siya na Pinay, bagay siya sa tulad ko. Pagdating sa akin ay clingy, sa iba masungit to. Yeah, ganyan ang aking trip, sa akin ka lang mag-submit. Dehin siya nagre-reklamo sa aking utos at sambit. Girl, samahan mo ko dito sa baba papuntang top. Kung ika'y submissive at tapat, bagay ka sa aking spot. Kailangan ko ng peace, pagtapos ko rumatrat. Kung balak mo ko hawakan sa leeg, tabla agad.
Maybe falling for you was a big mistake, but you know it's a chance I just had to take. Never found anyone who can make me feel the way you do. Even though it's a love full of ups and downs, there could never be anyone else around. And I just got to face it and tell you that I love you.
Yeah, listen baby. Baby, wag mag-alala, di kita pagpapalit. Ikaw ang main ko hanggat sa akin ikaw ay may respect. Baby, I got you forever, tabihan mo lang ako. Lalo sa mga oras na alanganin lagay ko. Tony at Elvira type, ang takbo ng ating story. History ang gagawin, baby di basta love story. Making money with my lady, paborito ko na scene. Pagsilbihan mo lang ako, wag silang intindihin. Baby,